1. What is a wet grinder? A wet grinder is a versatile kitchen appliance specifically designed to handle tough grinding operations. Unlike a blender or a mixer, a wet grinder uses stones for grinding instead of blades, which gives a smoother and more consistent mixture. It's a go-to tool for making your favorite batters, pastes, powders, and doughs. Owning a wet grinder in your kitchen can simplify your cooking process significantly. Not only does it help in making your traditional recipes quicker and easier, but it also ensures that the food you prepare is healthy and nutritious. 2. The science behind wet grinder. How does it work? We all love our idlis and dosas, don't we? But have you ever wondered what makes them so soft and fluffy? The secret is in the grinding. Wet grinders are mechanical devices that use grinding stones to turn grains into batter. The grinding process breaks down the grains into tiny particles, which when combined with water, create a batter with the perfect consistency for your favorite dishes. This is why they are an indispensable part of every Indian kitchen. 3. Different types of wet grinders, the ultimate guide for buyers. Now, not all wet grinders are the same. There are two main types: tabletop and tilting wet grinders. Tabletop grinders are compact and ideal for small kitchens, while tilting grinders are a bit larger but allow for easier battery removal. Each has its pros and cons, and the choice depends on your kitchen size and culinary needs. 4. Top 10 most popular brands of wet grinders, an in-depth comparison. When it comes to brands, there are quite a few options. Some of the popular ones include Butterfly, LG Ultra, and Panasonic. Each brand comes with its own set of features and specifications. 5. Practical tips for choosing the right wet grinder for your needs. Choosing the right wet grinder is not just about the brand. You need to consider other factors like capacity, drum material, and motor power, among others. We will be discussing these factors in detail to make your grinder shopping a painless experience. By considering your individual needs, the capacity of the grinder, the brand reputation, and the price, you can easily choose the perfect wet grinder for you. 6. Benefits of owning a wet grinder. Why it's a must-have kitchen appliance. The numerous benefits of owning a wet grinder. From saving you time and effort to maintaining the nutritional value of your food, the benefits are numerous. Owning a wet grinder is a practical and beneficial choice for any home cook. Its efficiency, versatility, and ability to retain nutrients make it a worthy investment for your kitchen. 7. Common problems and effective solutions in maintaining your wet grinder. Here are some common issues you might encounter and their solutions to keep your appliance running smoothly. Grinder not starting, overheating grinder, coarse or uneven grinding and noisy operation. To avoid these problems, clean your grinder regularly and don't overload it. Regular maintenance can also help extend the life of your grinder. 8. Eco-friendly wet grinders, balancing efficiency and sustainability. In this era of environmental consciousness, many brands are now focusing on manufacturing eco-friendly wet grinders to reduce energy consumption and carbon footprint. Eco-friendly wet grinders are not just a sustainable choice but are also extremely efficient and cost-effective. They not only help to reduce your carbon footprint but also save on your electricity and water bills. 9. The future of wet grinders. First and foremost, technology is making wet grinders more efficient. Future models are likely to consume less electricity, grind faster, and be easier to use. Automation is also a key area of development. In conclusion, a wet grinder is an essential kitchen appliance, perfect for grinding and blending your ingredients to perfection. Whether you are an amateur cook or a professional chef, investing in a wet grinder can drastically improve the quality of your dishes. And that wraps up our comprehensive guide on wet grinders. I hope you found it useful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this.